In my contracts, we can see the history of all the contracts we have deployed. To find out the current cost of gas, click on Estimate Deployment Cost. Click on My Wallet to visualize the available balance in the wallet associated to Contrax bot. To create our contract, we click on Create Contract. Select the network where we want to deploy our contract. Then select the type of contract to deploy. Now we are going to configure our contract: name, symbol, taxes, maximum transaction, website, Twitter and Telegram. We verify the details of our contract. If everything is okay, we click Next. To add liquidity, we select one of the default or custom options to add the value of our choice. Then we select the percentage of supply that will remain in the deployer wallet. The bot shows us the total cost to deploy the contract and the liquidity to be added. We verify the cost and liquidity. Click on Confirm. Contract successfully deployed. Now Contrax bot will automatically verify our contract and add the liquidity. Contrax bot shows us different functions: open trading, remove limits, and renounce ownership. We select remove limits to remove the limits of our token. Remove limits successfully. Then press open trading to start trading. Trading has been successfully activated. Now our token can be traded. Finally, we select the renounce ownership option to renounce our contract. Our contract has now been renounced ownership. We now go to the blockchain to review our newly deployed contract. Click on our newly deployed contract. We can see all the functions called by our contract. Click on Contract to see the code of our contract. Click on Read Contract to see all the public functions of our contract. Congratulations! You have just deployed a smart contract, added liquidity, activated trading, and waived the contract with no programming experience.